Great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: convertible hardtop, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather shift knob, overhead console, panic alarm. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.